Hello! In this video, I'm going to be checking out the top games made with Unreal Engine that released in January 2026. Lots of nice games came out that month. This video is meant to showcase what Unreal Engine can do. The games that I'm going to showcase in this video are in no particular order, apart from the last one. That's my favorite game that released in January. Before we get started, if you're just getting started with Unreal Engine, make sure to check out my free Unreal Engine beginner course that will teach you the basics and fundamentals of the engine. And I also want to give a quick shout out to CodeMonkey, Cobra Code, and Stay at Home Dev. They made videos covering their top games that released in a certain month, and I just wanted to try something similar. With that being said, let's get into it. Kicking off our list, we have Lort, a roguelike action RPG. It's like a mix between the games Risk of Rain 2 and Mega Boink. But the difference is about power-up stacking and day and night cycles. At nighttime, enemies become stronger, and in the game, you have 3 in-game days to prepare before you have to fight a powerful boss. There are multiple different weapon types in the game, and they feel quite distinct from one another. Another thing to note is that the game is built dependent based on the stat that you want to maximize. You can choose between strength, magic, and agility, and your build can make or break your run, as enemies will spawn based on your build as well. There are also several boss fights, and the best thing about it is that you don't have to play solo because you can bring up to 7 people to play the game with you. Up next we have Millennium Dream, an atmospheric walking simulator game. In this game, you'll start inside a Chinese-themed suburban apartment, where you'll wander around to find lost fragments of various memories lost in the world. The game calls itself a Chinese dream core experience, so it's built around the idea of surreal internet aesthetic and nostalgia-driven subculture that reimagines the collective childhood memories of Chinese millennials and Gen Z through dreamy, liminal, and slightly uncanny visuals. It currently has over 89% positive reviews on Steam. Next up, we have Halfsword, a physics-based medieval combat simulator featuring historically accurate XV century arms and armor. The game looks pretty fun, although it did seem to launch with a mixed reception. The game is in early access, so I'm sure they're going to update it. The game also has this permadeath mechanic, where if you die, you're sent to the abyss. You have to fight your way through hordes of enemies to continue your way back to the level where you previously died. I'd recommend checking it out if you're into physics-based medieval combat. At number 2, we have Bladesong. If you're not into medieval combat, how about trying to forge your own sword? In this game, you have no enemies, only your patience, time, and creativity. Bladesong is a pretty niche game, I'd say, because it's designed for people who love designing weapons. It will allow you to create the weapon of your dream, and it's not limited to swords. You can make a polearm, a spear, a longsword, whatever you can think of. This game is also in early access, so I'm sure it's just going to improve and improve. And lastly, for my number 1, it's Escape from Ever After. This game looks like the spiritual successor to the Paper Mario RPG title. And looking at it, you wouldn't even think it's built in Unreal Engine 5, but it is possible to create nice 2.5D and 2D games in Unreal Engine. The engine is just a tool. In the game, a greedy megacorp from the real world starts taking over fairy tales for their cheap labor, and the storybook hero must climb the corporate ladder, rally together other disgruntled employees, and fight back. And the game seems to be received well. Currently, its review score is 91%, overwhelmingly positive on Steam. So, that's all for this video. Do you agree with my list? Do you think there's a game I missed? Don't forget to check out my free Unreal Engine beginner course if you're just getting started with Unreal Engine. And if you enjoyed, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!